As a designer, I spend my life obsessing over every detail inside the home. The perfect paint color, the right throw pillow, the furniture layout that just works. But here's the thing no one talks about. Your outdoor space. It deserves that same level of attention as inside the home. And now there's finally a way to get the perfect lawn without breaking the bank or even a sweat. Hello everyone, I'm Julie, and if you've been around this channel for a while, you'll know that your outdoor space is just as important as your interior. I always say, treat your backyard or your front yard as an extension of your home. But here's the honest truth. A beautifully designed outdoor space starts with one thing. You guessed it, the lawn. Think of your lawn like the walls of your room. If the walls aren't right, it really just throws the whole design off. You can have the most gorgeous patio furniture. It's all decked out with like string lights, beautiful planterns, and then you look down, the lawn is patchy, it's overgrown, it has shaggy edges. I mean, it really just throws the entire design off and like you can't unsee it. Hey, I don't know about you, but the last thing that I want to do on a beautiful Saturday afternoon is like mow the lawn and trim the hedges in this Southern California heat. Okay, let's get real. I won't be doing it, but my husband sure will, so you understand my point. Which is exactly why I'm so excited to introduce you to something that has literally changed how I think about outdoor spaces. This is the ECOVACS GOAT O1000 LiDAR Pro. Yes, it is a robotic lawnmower. I know it sounds complicated, but let me show you what's inside the box. It's actually a lot easier than you think. Okay, we've got manual. Ooh, that's a lot, you guys. Oh, brush heads. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna grab the charging base station out first and put that aside. Wow. Wow, you guys, look at this. Okay, first impressions right outside the box. The design is really clean and modern. It doesn't look like a clunky piece of machinery. It actually looks like it belongs in a well-designed space, like my home. I love that. Before you start mowing or mapping, you want to attach the brush heads to the true edge trimmer. It's also a lot lighter than it looks as well, and a setup is literally what sold me. There are no boundary wires to bury. I mean, if you've ever looked into robotic mowers before, you know that that's usually the biggest freaking headache. No RTK base stations, no complicated configurations. You download the app, you press start, and you just watch it go. The mower maps your entire lawn on its own. I actually have the front yard to map and the backyard to map, so we're gonna start in the front. It took the mower about 20 minutes to map my entire front lawn on its own. It maps out your perimeter first and then fills it out with the body of the lawn. And then what you get is something like this. Okay, let's talk features. First, the navigation. This uses something called Holoscope 360 degrees. It's a dual LiDAR system, which is essentially the same type of technology used in self-driving cars. It maps your yard with 2-centimeter accuracy. As a designer who measures everything down to the inch, I can appreciate that level of precision. This is what got me. It's called the True Edge Trimmer, and it's the first robotic mower that trims your edges automatically. You know how even with like a robotic mower, you still have to go out and trim those edges? I mean, to me, that's just not automated anymore. This does the mowing and the trimming all in one pass. I'm all about that finished look, and this delivers it perfectly. Rise and shine, you guys. I am giving the ECOVACS one more try today. I want to see how she does without me. I'm not like using any of the automations at all. I'm not even having her on a remote. She's just remapping the same path that I had demarcated yesterday. So let's see how she does today. Ooh, look at those beautiful, pristine, clean lines, you guys. I don't know why that just gives me so much gratification. Okay, can you hear that? Yeah, neither can I. This is exactly how quiet it is. I can still film, no problem. Okay, so I've moved her into the backyard and I really want to test out the obstacle avoidance. So I tried to get down really low to film her and it seems like she's avoiding me, you guys. So the obstacle avoidance definitely works. She just busts a quick U and goes the other way. Okay, let's see where she goes now. She's able to roll over these flat mats just fine, so that's no issue. I want to show you how it navigates around the kids' play area. So it's gonna go in a straight line, okay, which is not bad. I love that. And then she gets to these little tight corners. You know, imagine this is like furniture and table legs at your dining table, right? Just like how your robot vacuum turns around it. She's having a little bit of a time doing it, and she makes a nice little tight turn. So as you can see, the corners are a little bit tricky, but again, not impossible. It took her 20 minutes to map my backyard, 50 minutes to mow the entire thing. I was able to pull out some weeds, garden. Can you see? I'm also filling my pool this week. And by this time next week, I'll have a completely manicured lawn and a beautiful pool to enjoy. Oh my gosh, you guys, Southern California living at its finest. So excited. Okay, one last look at my shaggy before lawn. And here she is after. Wow, what a difference, you guys. And the front lawn is looking equally as magnificent. And here's what I want you to take away from all of this. I talk a lot on this channel about romancing your life, all about those little luxuries, making those everyday moments feel a little bit more special, a little bit more intentional. And to me, that means spending your time enjoying your beautiful outdoor space and not maintaining it. The GOAT O1000 LiDAR Pro just gives you that time back. You press a button, you walk away, and you come back, and it looks like your entire lawn has been manicured by a professional. The edges are clean, the cuts are even, and you didn't even lift a finger. I mean, to me, that's exactly what hands-free is all about. So who is this perfect for? I mean, honestly, anyone who just wants their weekends back. You know, like I'm busy entertaining, the kids are playing on yard. I just want something super automated and it just runs for me. And here's what really sealed the deal for me. It's actually the most affordable LiDAR robotic lawnmower on the market right now. You're getting premium hands-free technology without that premium price tag. That's truly a win in my book. You guys know that I'm undergoing a renovation right now. I need less money spent on professional gardeners and more money actually spent on my beautiful garden. If you want to take your outdoor space to the next level and honestly never think about mowing again, I've linked the ECOVACS GOAT O1000 LiDAR Pro in the description box below. Okay, and let me know in the comments, you guys. I mean, what's the one thing that you would do with your outdoor space if you like never had to mow again? Isn't that wild? Oh, it's getting sunny out here. This is why I'm not mowing. Okay, thank you so much for watching, you guys. I'll see you in the next one.